guys, welcome to another episode of Basic Bisaya. In today's lesson, we were going to learn the basic conversation in the street.
So let's get started with the basics right now. So we're going to teach you the most basic phrases when you meet someone in the street. Now let's start off with good morning. How do we say that one?
Maayong buntag.
Good morning is maayong buntag. If it's in the afternoon, we can say
Maayong hapon.
maayong hapon. And lastly, in the evening, we would say
Maayong gabi.
maayong gabi. So it's only the second word you change in each of these phrases. Maayong stays the same. If someone greets you good morning, how would we answer that?
Maayong buntag sab.
So you'd repeat the phrase maayong buntag and then add the word sab on the end. Maayong buntag sab. Good morning to you too. To reply to someone who says good afternoon, we would say
Maayong hapon sab.
maayong hapon sab. And lastly, if they greet you good evening,
Maayong gabi sab.
maayong gabi sab. So just add sab on each of the phrases to reply to them.
Sab comes from the word usab, which means two. Maayo means good. Buntag means morning. Hapon is afternoon. And gabi is evening.
Our next common phrase we can ask them is, how are you? So how do you say that one in Bisaya?
Kumusta ka?
How are you is kumusta ka? In English, when someone asks, how are you? We usually reply, I am fine. And you? So what's the translation in Bisaya for that phrase?
Maayo, ikaw?
Maayo ikaw is I'm fine. And you? Question. Maayo is good. Ikaw is you. If the person you're speaking to asks you back if you're okay, how would you reply to them?
Maayo sab.
Maayo sab. I am good also. Maayo sab. How to ask, where are you going?
Asa ka paingon? Or you can just say, asa ka.
Asa ka paingon? Or asa ka? Where are you going? How to say just there in Bisaya?
Diha lang. Diha lang.
Diha lang. Just there. Another common phrase is, I'm going to your place. So how would we say that one?
Muadto ko sa inyong lugar. Muadto ko sa inyong lugar.
I am going to your place is muadto ko sa inyong lugar.
Muadto in this sentence means to go. Sa is used as to, and inyo is yours. So, muadto ko sa inyong lugar. Lugar is place. Ko is a short form of ako, which means me or I in English. So, muadto ko sa inyong lugar. I will go to your place.
Muadto ko sa inyong lugar. Another phrase we can use is, I am going to the market. So how do we say that one?
Muadto ko sa merkado. The same thing as the previous sentence. Muadto means to go. Ko means me or I in English. Sa means to. And mercado in Bisaya means market. Muadto ko sa mercado.
Muadto ko sa mercado. I am going to the market.
And instead of mercado, you can put any place that you want to go.
Another example of the sentence is I'm going to the mall. So we just replace the word for market with the word for mall. Muadto ko sa mall.
I am going to the mall. Muadto ko sa mall.
Where have you been?
Diin ka gikan, or you can use asa ka gikan.
Diin ka gikan or asa ka gikan for where have you been?
In the two sentences, diin and asa can be used interchangeably as they both mean where in English. Ka is a short form for ikaw, which means you. And gikan is from. Diin ka gikan or asa ka gikan is where have you been?
Diin ka gikan or asa ka gikan. Our next phrase is when did you arrive?
Kanusa ka niabot?
Kanasa ka niabot? When did you arrive?
Kanus-a means when. Ka is the short form of ikaw, which means you. Niabot comes from the root word abot, which means arrive. And the ni is a prefix that means the action has been completed. So it's a past tense. So, kanus-a ka niabot means when did you arrive in English?
When did you arrive? Kanasa ka niabot? The most common way to say goodbye once you've had your conversation is to say goodbye or take care. So let's learn them two phrases now. First of all, we'll start with goodbye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Nice and easy. Goodbye in Filipino is bye-bye. And then the next phrase is take care. How do we say that one?
Pag-amping. Pag-amping. Or just amping. Take care.
Take care is pag-amping or amping for short.
So those are the most common Bisaya phrases that you can use in the streets or greetings in leave-takings. I hope you learned something today.
If you enjoy our content, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If we've missed any greetings that you would like to know, please put them in the comment section below and we'll try our best to answer them. And as always, guys, that's bye from us. Have a great day.
Bye!
Bye.
Amping!